Welcome to an exploration of modern landscape design, where we move beyond the rigid constraints of straight lines and embrace the fluid energy of the curve. Today we're looking at a style that defines organic modernism, a blend of sleek, contemporary architecture and the soft, sweeping movements of nature. In high-end design, the curve is a luxury. It creates a journey through the space, leading the eye and inviting you to slow down. By utilizing winding pathways and undulating walls, we can create a front entrance or courtyard that feels like a curated resort experience right at home. One of the most powerful elements of this aesthetic is the use of white stucco as a sculptural medium. Sweeping, raised planter beds aren't just containers for plants, they are architectural features themselves. Notice how the stark white surfaces provide a clean canvas for light. By integrating warm glowing LED strips at the base of these planters, we create a hovering effect that makes heavy structures feel light and ethereal. This architectural lighting turns the garden into a living sculpture after dark, highlighting the contours of the curves and casting a soft, inviting glow over the decorative white pebbles and manicured turf. To prevent a modern white design from feeling sterile, we must balance it with rich, warm textures. This is where the mix of natural wood and stone becomes essential. Imagine a slatted wood bench that follows the exact contour of a curved wall, or a textured accent section made of light tan stacked stone. This combination, bright white stucco against vertical brown wooden slats and earthy stone, creates a striking visual contrast. It brings a sense of rustic elegance to a contemporary setting, ensuring the entrance feels warm, inviting, and grounded in the natural world. In this design style, nature is highly controlled and architectural. We aren't looking for a wild, overgrown garden. We are looking for manicured nature. Perfectly spherical topiary shrubs provide a sense of rhythm and repetition, while vibrant clusters of hydrangeas in blues, pinks, and purples offer a lush, resort-style color palette. Softening the crisp architectural lines are trailing vines that drape over balconies and modern black sconces. Even the planters themselves, oversized white spheres, act as sculptural punctuation marks, holding small palms that whisper of tropical luxury and serene escapes. Ultimately, creating a modern sanctuary is about balancing fluidity with structure. It's the contrast between the rough texture of stacked stone and the smooth finish of white concrete. It's the way a curved path leads you to a solid wood door, promising a transition from the outside world into a place of peace. By prioritizing organic curves, high-contrast materials, and architectural lighting, you can transform any front yard into a sophisticated statement of modern luxury. Thank you for joining us on this tour of organic modernism.